Just want to do a recording. This is the cat. I'm not sure. She was snoring, actually. Of course, now she's not going to do it. I was trying to record her snoring. I'll just have to wait.